Hello everyone, I am Purbashri, a student of Golaghat Polytechnic Civil Engineering branch, currently studying in 3rd semester. Today, I am going to present a short video on the topic of canals. In this video, I will explain what a canal is, why canals are constructed, the type of canals, and they are important in irrigation and water resources engineering. So let's begin. What is canal? It is usually trapezoidal in shape and designed to supply water to agricultural field. Canals are constructed to supply water for irrigation, especially in area where rainfall is not sufficient. They also help in improving agriculture, controlling flood, and sometimes in navigation. Types of canals. According to alignment, a canal may be classified into 3 categories. First one is contour canal, second one is watershed or race canal, and third one is side slope canal. In the next type, that is according to the position in the canal network, a canal may be classified as main canal, branch canal, major distributary canal, minor distributary canal, and field channel. Canals provide reliable irrigation, increase crop production, and help in the economic development of an area. So this was a short presentation on canal, including their meaning, purpose, type, and importance. Thank you for watching my presentation.